months old already? I can't believe it. How do you feel about it? What's that? You happy? Yeah? Huh? Oh. You're starting to speak a little bit, huh? Why don't you tell everybody about your giggle the other day? First giggle ever. I love you, Peanut. Is that an I love you too? Yeah, I'll take that as an I love you. Sorry, Dad. No more spot for you in bed. I'm the queen of the bed. I got my own little spot. Queen of the bed. Queen of the bed. Hey guys, welcome back. So last episode I had talked about getting an MRI done. I did get the results back and it looks like I do have a pretty significant tear in my ankle, unfortunately. So it is the peroneus brevis. I could be saying that wrong, but it's a 1.2 centimeter tear at the very least, if not completely torn. They're not sure. They said it was difficult to tell from the imaging. So I have to see a specialist to figure out kind of what happens next, unfortunately. So looks like I have to probably have surgery, but I'll keep you guys updated. So not the best news, but we're getting some answers. We're getting some progress, I guess. So hopefully the recovery time is pretty quick, but we can only take it one day at a time. So we'll take it as it comes. Thanks, guys.